Multipurpose kitchen cutter, quickly slice perfect French fries and veggie sticks in one easy motion. Heavy-duty construction, you simply place the potato in the middle of the grate and push down with the lid for ideal-sized French fry slices. Easy-to-clean storage, the pop-out pusher includes a removable grid for easy cleaning while the clear container holds produce for less mess and is dishwasher safe. Super safety design, the Prepworks by Progressive Tower Fry Cutter includes a non-skid base for added stability. The Tower Fry Cutter quickly slices perfect French fries veggie sticks in one easy motion, chops dices veggies, pop-out pusher with removable grid makes cleaning a breeze, clear container hold produce for less mess, added non-skid base for added stability. The Tower Fry Cutter, added non-skid base for added stability. Top reviews from the United States. Getting the potato to pass through the grid effortlessly. When first receiving this French fry cutter, I wanted to give it 1 star as it was impossible to give it enough pressure to make the potatoes go through the cutting grid. To solve the problem, I first cut the bottom tip off the potato so the flat bottom surface would prevent the potato from entering the grid sideways. Next I placed a wood block, 4 by 4 by 3 inches high on the top of the top cover and hit the block with a hammer. I feared I might break the top plastic cover. After my third cut potato, the plastic cover is unharmed. I would suggest you saw 4 inches off a 2 by 4 to serve as your pounding board. Better yet, saw 2 4 pieces off of the board and glue them together using wood glue and a vise. I now like my French fry cutter.